So here's some homemade tea when you get the sniffles. So we're gonna squeeze some fresh lemons and put the lemon juice in the cup and set that aside. Then add the lemon skin, the lemon peels in the boiling water. And after that, we're gonna add some cinnamon. And then you usually add fresh garlic, but I didn't have fresh garlic, so I did garlic powder. Gotta use what you got. And then we're just gonna let all that boil. And after that, you're gonna chop up some onions, fresh onion, put that in there. And then after that, you're gonna add some honey. And then you're just gonna, just add it to your liking. Now, because the onions are strong and we added garlic powder, you don't want it to taste like that. So you're gonna kind of make it sweet. So that's why you add the honey, add it to your liking. I added some more lemon, so yeah. And then after it got done boiling, I took it off the stove and added that lemon juice that I set to the side. And then I'm just stirring it up, And then I added some more, I made a little mess, but I added some more honey and cinnamon to my liking. And then after that, you're just going to stir it up. You're going to serve it in a cup, and then you're going to store it in a bowl. So, like, if you got the sniffles, you got the allergies, whatever you got going on, you can store it and take shots of it every day or drink a little bit of it every day. So, you just put the rest up in the fridge and you just drink it every day.